Hi, my name is Sarasu Thomas. I'm a professor here at the National Law School and I'm currently coordinating the Postgraduate Diploma in Human Rights Law. I've been part of this program since it began, and it was the very first postgraduate diploma that was introduced at the law school. So what is this course about? Let me just give you a brief overview. Other than a basic module that you'll be studying along with other candidates who are doing very many different postgraduate diplomas, you have 3 courses that have been curated especially for the postgraduate diploma in human rights law. So in one course, you will be looking at all the concepts dealing with human rights. We then have 2 different courses dealing with human rights standards. One from an international perspective, where we look at the UN systems, the different standards that have been developed in human rights all over the world, how these standards operate, what are these mechanisms that have been created to make sure that human rights are properly followed, how are these standards improved from day to day, how are different groups of people, women, children, persons with disabilities, LGBTQI community, how are they all brought into the human rights umbrella with specialized instruments and standards for them. So all this you will learn in your second course. In the third course, where we focus upon India, you will look at the standards in India, beginning with the Constitution. How was this very important document, which is most reflective of Indian culture, drafted? Who were the main drafters? What was the role of Dr. Ambedkar? And what are the standards that the Constitution upholds for human rights in directive principles of state policy, in fundamental rights and other constitutional rights? We look at the different mechanisms that are there, both in constitution, in law, etc., to see how human rights operates in India. We look at courts, we look at legislations, we look at the roles played by many human rights institutions, such as the National Human Rights Commission, and we also look at the role played by civil society and non-governmental organizations. Lastly, towards the end of the course, we have a very interesting module which is current issues of human rights, looking at the human rights of that time, almost a year from now, and how they can be addressed by the current Indian laws. So you see, we put together a really exciting course for you. We have gone through the syllabus this year and made many significant alterations, and we hope this is a course that you will definitely enjoy. Wishing you all the best and welcome to the Postgraduate Diploma in Human Rights Law.